Organization makes me happy, and I adore me some sticky labels. But typical label makers are as boring as you can get, and I don't want to purchase an expensive machine. So if I need a label or sticker, I can make one out of any picture, text, or design by using a printer and shipping tape. You'll need a computer, printer, and paper, clear shipping tape, scissors, a mug or glass with water, and a spoon or other hard implement. First, create or find your label or sticker design and print it out. Black and white or color, it works either way. Next, fully cover the printed design with shipping tape. If the design will fit within the width of the tape, great. If not, carefully line up the edges of the tape so that they don't overlap. Use a spoon or other hard implement to rub over the top of the tape. Pressure is the key here, so if you want the toner to transfer from the paper to the tape, push down hard and scratch back and forth along every bit of your design. Use the scissors to cut the design out into the exact shape and size of the label. Time to soak. Place your label to be in a mug or glass of water so that it's fully submerged and let it soak. Leave it alone for hours. Hours! 1 hour isn't enough. Neither is 2. My best labels have soaked overnight, so get it in water and find another project to work on. Using your thumb, carefully roll the paper off the back of the tape. You'll get most of it off, but keep going over any spots with remaining paper. Re-wet the tape if it starts drying. Continue until there are no more paper fibers and only the toner remains. Turn the tape sticky side up and allow to dry. As it dries, the stickiness comes back. Press your label firmly onto your item and work out any air bubbles underneath. On the fly, DIY.